Frying pan of elimination with Chikawa and Shikina.
Alam mo kung ano yung funny? Ang daming gusto ng abundance, pero ayaw ng discipline. Like gusto ng soft life, pero ayaw ng hard decisions. Gusto ng pera, pero hindi consistent. Gusto ng peace, pero yung lifestyle choices puro chaos. Let's always be real, not just for a second. Abundance, guys, is not just about money. And abundance is not something you manifest one. It's a full rehaul of everything. Kumbaga sa kotse, may maintenance yan. Hindi yung para nanalo ka lang sa loto. It's something you maintain daily. Parang yung mga supplements mo. And the real main ingredient, you know what? Disiplina. Kasi kahit anong bagay, kahit anong blessing ibigay sa'yo, kung wala kang discipline, ano mangyayari? Lalabas at lalabas din yan. Money, pera maubos. Relationships, magiging toxic. Opportunities, mamimiss mo. Me, I have to learn the hard way. Walang taong malas. Alam mo kung ano yun? Yung mindset nila. Kasi kung hindi ready yung system mo, ito yung hindi sinasabi ng karamihan na gurus dyan. Abundance is a capacity game, guys. Kung maliit ang capacity mo, kahit gaano kalaki pumasok, hindi mo mahahawak. So instead na habulin mo yung result, build the container. So what's the container? Simple lang. Kaya mo bang gumising on time kahit wala nagbabantay? Kaya mo bang tapusin yung sinimulan mo? Kaya mo bang mag-focus kahit walang instant reward? Kaya mo bang mag-say no sa distractions? Discipline is self-respect and action. Walang taong perfect, guys. It's not about perfection. It's actually about showing up kahit wala kang gana, kahit pagod, kahit bored, kahit wala ka pang nakikita. Kasi yung mga nananalo, we are not always motivated. Alam mo kung ano yung pinaka second recipe? Consistency. So if you really want abundance, guys, stop chasing the life. Enjoy the journey. Build micro habits. Kasi at the end of the day, you don't rise to your goals. You fall to your old systems to build a new one. Build your discipline and watch how your life stops leaking. Discipline era. Mindset shift. And let's all win together. Hintay ng part 2.